How to see your Steam password while logged in. This tutorial shows you why Steam doesn't let you view it directly and how to check it through your browser instead. First, open the Steam app on your computer and click on your account name at the top right. After that, click on Account Details. From there, look through the settings and you'll notice there's no option anywhere to view or reveal your current password. At this point, this is intentional since Steam stores your password encrypted and never displays it back to you for security reasons. In the next step, if you've saved your Steam login in a browser like Chrome, you can check it there instead. Following this, open Chrome and click on the three dots menu at the top right. Once done, click on Passwords and Autofill, then click Google Password Manager. From here, search for Steam in the list of saved passwords. At this stage, click on the entry, then click the eye icon to reveal the password. Keep in mind, you may be asked to verify your identity using your Windows PIN or fingerprint before it shows the password. Finally, if your Steam login was never saved in your browser, the only real option left is to reset your password through Steam's account recovery instead. And that's it. If this guide helped you see your Steam password while logged in, give it a like, subscribe for more Windows tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.